வெல்கம் டு ஜெயம் நீட் ஃபிசிக்ஸ். லாஸ்ட் வீடியோவில் ஒரு 10 ஃபார்முலா பார்த்தோம். இன்றைக்கி இந்த வீடியோவில் ஒரு 10 ஃபார்முலா பார்க்கலாம். லெவன்த் ஃபார்முலா frequency is equal to reciprocal of time. So the dimension formula of time t, so that is move numerator t power minus 1. So the full order m0 l0 t power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of frequency. And the next one pressure is denoted by letter capital P. The expression of pressure is equal to force by area. The force is written as mass into acceleration divided by area is written as length into breadth. So the mass capital M, dimension formula of mass capital M, and then dimension formula of acceleration Lt power minus 2 divided by length into length. Length cancel, numerator length and denominator length cancel. So finally M L power T L power minus 1 and T power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula of pressure. And stress, 13th one, stress also force divided by area. So this dimension formula M L power minus 1 T power minus 2. Similarly above expression. So here dimensional formula of pressure and dimensional formula of stress both are equal. So the dimensional formula of pressure is equal to dimensional formula of stress. Both are same dimensional formula, that is equal to ml1 t power minus 2. Okay, and next 14th one, surface tension. Surface tension denoted by letter capital T equal to force divided by length. The force is written as mass into acceleration, and length, dimension formula of length is L, and dimensional formula of mass equal to capital M. Dimension formula of acceleration is equal to Lt power minus 2 divided by L, and numerator L and denominator L cancel, and finally M L power 0 T power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula of surface tension. And next one is moment of inertia. Moment of inertia denoted by letter I. I is equal to mass into square of distance. Mass into square of distance. So the dimensional formula of mass capital M and dimension formula of distance L whole square. So ml square T power 0. So this is the dimensional formula of moment of inertia. And அடுத்தது 16th one, moment of force. Moment of force or moment of couple or torque or work or energy. Energy means all kinds of energy, that is internal energy, potential energy, kinetic energy, thermal energy, heat energy, everything. So equal to force into distance. So the force expression of force equal to mass into acceleration, distance on the d. So the dimension of formula of mass capital M, and then dimension formula of acceleration Lt power minus 2 into L, and combine these two ml square T power minus 2. So this is the dimensional formula of moment of force, moment of couple, torque, work, energy or all kind of energies. And then 17th one, heat capacity. Heat capacity, another name entropy. Entropy is denoted by letter S. S is equal to heat energy by temperature. Heat energy, the dimensional formula of heat energy, ml square T power minus 2, and temperature, the dimensional formula of temperature, K or theta mostly used. K or theta mostly used. So anyone use here. So K. So simplify this, ml square T power minus 2 K power minus 1. Okay. So this is the dimensional formula of entropy. And 18th one, latent heat. The latent heat denoted by letter L equal to heat energy divided by mass. So heat energy, dimension formula of heat energy, ml square T power minus 2 mass capital M. Numerator mass, denominator mass cancel, and finally L square T power minus 2. In full format, m0 L square T power minus 2. This is the dimensional formula of latent heat. And then 19th one, specific heat capacity. Specific heat capacity. The expression of specific heat capacity is equal to heat energy divided by mass into temperature. So the dimensional formula of heat energy, ml square T power minus 2 divided by mass capital M and temperature K. So the denominator mass, numerator mass cancel, and finally L square T power minus 2 K power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of specific heat capacity, or full format m0 L square T power minus 2 K power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of specific heat. Next 20th one, Planck's constant. Planck constant denoted by letter capital H. So this is calculated from energy of photon. In the energy of photon expression, that is E is equal to h nu, or packet of energy, or quanta, small packet of energy அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. ஸோ இதிலிருந்து h is equal to energy divided by frequency. Again, energy divided by frequency means reciprocal of time. So reciprocal of time, time, reciprocal of time. So energy into time. So this is the expression of Planck constant. Now dimensional value calculated. Planck constant, energy ml square T power minus 2 into T. So combine this, ml square T power minus 1. This is the dimensional formula of